Hello, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute strawberry pudding. Let's get started. First, we choose the HB pencil under sketching to draw a quick draft. We are going to draw an oval as the top of the pudding. And then we are going to draw curved lines on each side. At the bottom, we are going curve to connect these two lines to make it look 3D. Then use eraser to make some adjustment. Then draw another curved line in the middle of the pudding to add layers. Then draw some whipped cream on top of the pudding. Next, we draw a strawberry on top of the cream. Draw another strawberry aside of our pudding. Then we're going to draw a wavy line as the delicious sauce at the bottom. Then use eraser to make some adjustment. Then use Move tool to adjust the size of the draft. Make sure the draft is in the middle of the canvas. Then create a new layer down below the draft layer. Tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 40%. Then we change to the studio pen under inking to start drawing the pudding. Choose the right color to draw the top of the pudding. You can directly drag the color into the center to fill it. Then we use the orange color to draw the top layer of the pudding. Then use light yellow color to draw the bottom layer of the pudding. After that, we can hide the draft layer and double check the shape we just drew. Then I noticed the perspective of the top layer of the pudding is not that right, so I make some adjustment of the edge. Then choose a more white yellow color to draw the cream. Please hit the like button below and subscribe if you liked the video. It really helps the channel grow. Next, we use a red color to draw the strawberry on top of the cream. Then we use the green color to draw the mint leaves in the new layer. After that, we start to draw the other strawberry at the bottom. Finally, to use a dark red color to draw the sauce. Next, we are going to draw a gradient color for the top layer of the pudding. To do that, we create a new layer on top of the orange color layer and change that layer to clipping mask. Then all the drawing on this layer will within the area of the parent layer. We choose a light orange color. And then changing the brush to the soft brush and the airbrushing. First, we adjust the opacity and the size of the brush. Then we add some gradient color at the bottom of the orange shape. Same with the bottom layer of this pudding. We add a new clipping mask layer on top and add more yellow color at the bottom. Create more clipping mask layer on top to make the color richer. Then we do the same thing for the strawberry. We add some bright color at the bottom. You can use the Gaussian blur function under adjustments to make the gradients smoother. You can change the opacity to make it more real if the color is too bright. Then just repeat the process for the other strawberry at the bottom. Next, we use the eraser tool to make some adjustment. Then we draw the reflection of the pudding on the sauce. To do this, we add a new clipping mask layer on top of the sauce layer. Change the color to light orange color and change the brush to studio pen. Then we add more reflection on the sauce. Draw two organic shapes like this and fill it. Then change the opacity to around 60%. Now let's start to draw the seeds on the strawberry. Now we start to draw some shadows. First, we use dark light to draw the shadow for the cream. Then fold the pudding. Finally, fold the strawberry. Then we add some details for the leaves. Okay, now let's start to draw the highlights for the pudding. Then we can create another new layer to draw more highlights for the pudding. We can adjust the opacity to around 15%. Then we use the splatter pen in the spray paint to add some ornament on the surface of the pudding. You can choose a light orange color to fill the background. We can add some stars around the pudding to make it look more attractive. Probably add another very slight shadow on the right side using the dark red color. Then adjust the opacity to around 6%. Then we are done. Thanks for watching and smash the like button if you liked the video. See you next time!